We had ended on the note that Uncle Byro, John Byro, had gone to Aram's house, and there Uncle Khosrow was already seated in the parlor, and he shouted at John Byro. Now I will start second part of the story. And my left leg pains me, the farmer said. Pay no attention to it, my uncle Khosrow roared. And because he had to walk down to Aram's place and it is a long distance, that's why he said that his left leg pained, and Uncle Khosrow said, pay no attention to it. That horse cost me $60. And the cost of the horse is what? $60. The farmer said, I spit on money. I spit on money माने उस पैसे पे हम थूकते हैं. My uncle Khosrow said. He got up and stalked out of the house, slamming the screen door. Slamming is धार से बंद करना. Because Uncle Khosrow said he spits on money. Because John Byro stated cost of the horse. At that moment, he stated that he spits on money. My mother explained. He has a gentle heart, she said. He is simply that he is homesick and such a large man. And he comes here because he is homesick, he is loner. The farmer went away and I ran over to my cousin Murad's house. Who ran? Aram. Aram ran over to cousin Murad's house. He was sitting under a peach tree, trying to repair the hurt wing of a young robin which could not fly. Because the bird was injured, so Murad was very kind, so he thought of repairing wing of the bird. He was talking to the bird. While he was repairing, he was talking to the bird. What is he? What is it? He said. The farmer John Byro, I said, he visited our house. He wants the horse. You have had it a month. I want you to promise not to take it back until I learn to ride. And he wants that horse should not be given to the rightful owner unless Aram knows how to ride the horse. It will take you a year to learn to ride. And on this, Murad said, it will take at least 1 year. My cousin Murad said. We could keep the horse a year, I said. And Aram said, we will keep it for a year. My cousin Murad leaped to his feet. What? He roared. Are you inviting a member of the Garagolian family to steal? The horse must go back to its true owner. When? I said. In 6 months at the latest, he said. Within 6 months, we are going to return the horse to its rightful owner. He threw the bird into the air. The bird tried hard, almost fell twice, but at last flew away high and straight. And 2 times bird stumbled, and after that it took flight. Early every morning for 2 weeks, my cousin Murad and I took the horse out of the barn. Barn is what? Cowshed. Of the deserted vineyard where we were hiding it and rode it. And that was deserted. Nobody came there because cowshed was broken and no cows were kept. So they hid the horse there. And horse is not a small thing to hide. It takes big space. So they hid the horse in the cowshed. And every morning, the horse, when it was my turn to ride alone, I leaped over grapevines and small trees and threw me and ran away. And every time Aram wanted to ride the horse, every time horse threw it on the ground and he was not successful to ride. Nevertheless, I hope in time to learn to ride the way my cousin Murad rode, and gradually he thought he would be riding horse like his elder brother, that is Murad, his cousin. One morning, on the way to Fatwajin's deserted vineyard, we ran into the farmer John Byrow. And you know, children, now they came across John Barrow, to whom this horse basically belongs, who was on his way to town and he was going to town. Let me do the talking, my cousin Murad said. And he said he would talk to John Barrow. I have a way with farmers. And he says he has a way with farmers. Good morning, John Barrow, my cousin Murad said to the farmer. The farmer studied the horse eagerly. Good morning, son of my friends, he said. What is the name of your horse? And John Barrow studied the horse and he wanted to know the name of the horse. My heart, my cousin Murad said in Armenian. And he said, the name of the horse is what? My heart. A lovely name, John Barrow said, for a lovely horse, because horse was very magnificent. So he said, lovely name for a lovely horse. And what is its name? My heart. I could swear it is the horse that was stolen from me many weeks ago. And he swears. Means swear मने कसम खा के बोल सकते हैं. It is the same horse from me many weeks ago. May I look into his mouth? And he wanted to count the teeth. That's why he said, may I look into the mouth. Who said? John Barrow. Of course, Murad said. The farmer looked into the mouth of the horse. Tooth for tooth. Exactly, no difference. He said, I would swear it is my horse if I didn't know your parents. I would say, कसम से ये मेरा घोड़ा है, मगर I cannot say because I know your parents and your parents are famous for, and you people are also famous for what? Truth and honesty. This is the hallmark of your family. The fame of your family for honesty is well known to me, and even John Byron knows honesty of their family. Yet, the horse is the twin of my horse. Now I can say it is twin because both are identical, no difference at all. That's why he said twin of my horse. A suspicious man would believe his eyes instead of his heart. Good day, my young friends. But still, he was thinking the horse very much belonged to him only. Good day, John Barrow, my cousin Murad said. And though both of them bid good day and both of them went away. Early the following morning, We took the horse to John Byro's vineyard and put it in the barn, and where John Byro used to keep his horse, there only Morad went and kept it in the barn. The dogs followed us around without making a sound. When they were going and keeping the horse in the barn, at that time dogs were following them, but they did not bark. The dogs, I whispered. Whispered is to talk softly to my cousin Morad. I thought they would bark, and Aram is very much frightened about dogs and thought they would bark. They would at somebody else, and Morad said they would at somebody else. He said, I have a way with dogs, and he said he has a way with dogs. My cousin Morad put his arms around the horse, pressed his nose into the horse's nose, and he wanted to pat the horse, patted it, and then he went away. That afternoon, John Barrow came to a house in his surrey. Surrey is what? Horse carriage. Because horse is returned, so now he can use carriage. So he has come in his carriage and showed my mother the horse that had been stolen and returned, and showed it to the Aram's mother that had been returned. I did not know what to think, he said. The horse is stronger than ever. Now the horse is stronger, better tempered, and its temperament is also good. I thank God my uncle Khosrow, who was in the parlor, became irritated. And Uncle Khosrow, you know his crazy streak, became very irritated and shouted, Quiet man, quiet, your horse has been returned, pay no attention to it. And here the story comes to an end. Now I will give you some